Sir, I really very happy to be a student of you, and you always guide me, motivate me, and inspires me, and to get the opportunities uh, and do my best for every time. You will never thought we are failure. You always motivate us to be the best, and you always think about how commerce should be pride and proud, and you supports me a lot. Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. Thank you, sir.
He is a good person who takes care of us at all the time and all the time and situation. Who is a person who guides all of us in a smooth and easy manner, and he always provides information which is so important for the future achievements.
First, I really thank Sarath sir because he's very nice person. He will take all our comments, like he will take into the consideration and he will do that. Personally, I like him because he will take more importance to slow learners and he will make us study.
He is the one who supported us in all ways and in all activities. And if he takes any decision, he would ask us opinion about it, and he supports us in many ways. And I would like to thank you.
He's a very patient staff. He's having a friendly nature, and he's having a strong work ethics, so we like him a lot. And happy Teachers Day to all our lovable staff.
He is a very kind teacher, and he'll care everyone in our class, and he'll always think about how to bring class in the top position, and he'll always clear our doubts with any hesitation. He'll not hesitate anyone, and we are proud to have him as our class teacher in grade 12.
Ravi sir, I like my class teacher very much because he teaches in every situation and guide me. He supported in every situation. They also teach me each thing. Then he put his hard work and effort to build us. Then I like every teachers. Without teachers, there is no profession in this world. And I would like to thank every teachers for supporting us and bringing us. So we all need your blessings to get good success.
He gives us confidence in every situation. I need to learn from him how to be humble to others, sir. I wish all the teachers a happy Teachers Day.
I like my class teacher very much. He used to support in every situation. He used to be humble and polite. He used to be so friendly. And he used to give confidence in every situation. Have to be bold and strong. I like every teacher. I wish every teacher a very happy Teachers Day.
Class teacher is Ravi sir. I like him very much. He's very polite and friendly to us, and he's responsible in his work, and he's very caring about us, and he helps to rectify our mistakes. And I thank every teachers for helping us to reach our goal.
Now ma'am is handling business studies for us. I like her very much. She is very good in teaching. She also makes us understand every concept. She not only teaches, she also shows few videos regarding the concepts and make us clearly understand. She put her many hard efforts to teach us. I like her very much, and I wish very happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day to all. Deepana ma'am is handling business studies for us. Actually, I'm proud to be a student because teachers should not teach from book. They should teach from their art. She does that very kindly, so I like her very much. Happy Teachers Day. And
he is a nice teacher who teaches very politely and with patience teachers who teach us with patience and kindness are very less, but in our school, many of the teachers are teaching like that. And simply to say, she is a very nice teacher and very kind teacher, and happy Teachers Day.
Who is so friendly with us, and she takes care of us at each and every time, and she always motivates us to how to achieve each and everything. And she is not only a teacher who works in Sri Shakti, is also like our mother, who always pour good things on us to make us so shining in the future. Thank you for this, and I'm wishing you happy Teachers Day to all the teachers.
மேம் வந்து ரொம்ப ஸ்வீட் அண்ட் ஜென்டில். மேம் நாங்கள் சொல்கிறதெல்லாம் புரிஞ்சுக்குவாங்க. அப்புறம் எங்களுக்கு மேம் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்.
About our system admin, he's having a friendly character with all, and he used to teach everyone something new which everyone wants to know about, some networks and etc. So everyone likes him in our schools because he'll be friendly with all.
Kumala ma'am has been teaching us for the past 2 years, not just biology and about fun which we had in our class. Myself and Kumala ma'am has looked a lot of fun time, and even during the hostel times, she used to clarify my doubts. I used to rectify everything, not just 1 or 2 problems. I wouldn't leave her until all my doubts are clarified. So more than a student to her, I have been a burden to her, but she knows that, and we do have a lot of memories together.
She's more than a teacher, a very good friend of us. She teaches in a way which we understand, and she understands our feelings and expresses it to our school management so that we get more time for reading.
I feel so fortunate to have been placed in your class, ma'am. I absolutely adore Kumda ma'am's way of teaching, her personal time for our benefit, and being so lenient in our works that it positively motivated me, and I think most of us in a very positive way. I feel blessed to have you all as my teachers. Thank you.
Rahul sir, he is the only teacher who make my attitude more positive towards the subject, and he is being teaching us mathematics for more than 1.5 hours. He is a very good friend to me, and he also explains the problems in a very easy manner, and gives us many shortcuts, and he increases my ability to do the math problems. I respect you, sir, and I congrats your great effort that you have put in us. I will surely make you proud, sir.
Rahul sir is my inspiration and my maths teacher, a good brother and a good friend. He has taken a lot of cares on me. He has given his fullest potential to teach us. Like, I've never seen a teacher putting so much efforts for teaching his students, and definitely sir, I'll make you proud.
Rahul sir is very much caring, and I love him so much. Also, I love his teaching methods, and he's very much concerned about our future. And thank you, Rahul sir.
Rahul sir is very caring. He put all his effort day and night and works for us. Mainly, he writes notes which comes 60 pages long, and he wakes up until 1 o'clock and even clarify our doubts. And his teaching methods are very unique. And for example, if he takes a topic, he makes sure that each and everybody are very comfortable in the topic, and then he moves out. And he makes joke in between the classes, which keep the class more interesting, and he gives advice which are really awesome, and I like it. Thank you, sir. Happy Teachers' Day to all.
My physics teacher, Rocky sir, and he's Mr. Positive Vibe because his smile makes the class more enthusiasm. So he has a lot of love on us, and we too have on you, sir. And he gives us fullest potential to teach us. He doesn't care about his time, so we too support him to do that. And he cares on everyone in the class, and he waits till how much ever late we go to class. He's a very patient guy. And thank you, sir, for being with us.
Rocky sir and me had a lot of quarrels in the class for taking extra classes. Yet he used to ask me first for taking the extra class if I am fine with. And I used to join and used to discuss each and every question. I used to send him doubts in a large pack, and he used to work it down and send it to me and clarify it for my prior exams. So happy Teachers' Day, teachers. Thank you.
Lucky sir, they are so much dedicated to work. There is no necessity for them to take extra classes, but they do so for our goodness. And even if you text them in night 2 o'clock, they used to reply and clear our doubts.
I'm Shona from 11 Super 25. Shaul sir's teaching is really very nice, and he gives examples relevant to the topic so that we can keep it in mind for a long time. And he's very friendly. His class will always be fun-filled, and I'm damn sure we can enjoy his classes. Happy Teachers' Day, sir.
Sagar sir is explaining chemistry in an easy manner, so he even gives us real-life examples. So it is very easy to keep in mind. And sir behaves with us like a friend, not like a teacher, and I like Sagar sir very much.
Rahul sir, he will take the class very interestingly, and I like him very much because he will easily mingle with us, and he will be a very good friend. In a jolly manner, he will take the class. It will be so interesting, and it will be so useful for us to remember. We can understand what he will say. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day.
He's very kind to us, and he relates each and everything about. He explains everything clear, and he makes some jokes and keep the class interesting, and he will relate everything to a real life situation by which makes us understand more clear. And even if you have doubts, he'll clear then and there, so there will be no problem. So a very happy Teachers' Day, and thank you.
Sir, I like my class teacher, Mr. Ashok sir. He used to stand with us in many problems. He is so kind and gentle, and he will give shoulders for us to support us. And I had my principal as my role model, sir, because she used to be very kind and gentle, and she used to support us even in hard situations, sir. That quality I saw in Mr. Ashok sir.
Sir, my favorite Ashok sir. He's very kind, sir, and he's very good teacher as a class teacher and both subject teachers, sir. In subject-wise, he will help in many ways, sir. If we have any doubt in subject, he will always explain, sir.
He's a physics faculty. He's a very good teacher. I like him because he understands the mindset of the students. He is very kind and caring. He helps and supports me in many ways. He makes physics very simple to understand. He breaks down the tough concepts into simple ones. He is more than like a class teacher because he is like a friend. This is why I like our class teacher Ashok sir.